Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Today I'm gonna make some, look, I started cutting it before I got with you guys. And I said, you know what? Let me vlog this and show y'all how I'm gonna make some chicken salad out of this chicken that's left from the Thanksgiving bird. So come on along, let's cut this chicken up and we're gonna make us some chicken salad and have us a nice chicken salad sandwich. Okay, as you see, I started cutting the chicken off the bone. Actually, I can pull it off the bones. This is the skin. I don't really use that in my chicken salad, but all this is meat from the chicken. We ate all the legs, all the wings, pretty much all of it. So now I'm just going to try to make up a tasty chicken salad. Because you know, good chicken salad. Look how that bird was seasoned on the inside. It tasted so good too. Yeah. But that's why I don't cook turkey. Do you see how much of this chicken is left? If I had made a whole turkey, it would have definitely went to waste because my family do not eat turkey like that. They eat chicken. They gonna eat this chicken salad. But they do not eat turkey like this. They want only the wings. So I am going to cut all this meat up and get it ready for chicken salad. We're going to chop some of these big pieces down to bite-sized pieces. And the only thing I'm putting in it is mayonnaise and relish. And some, it might not need no seasoning because the chicken is seasoned already, but we're going to try. Bite-sized pieces. So when I put it on my bread, I'll be eating some chicken. Look at that. All that meat is left from the Thanksgiving chicken. So that chicken was pretty good. As you see, we took all the legs off it, all the wings, and we still ate some of the meat. And that's, you know, we get tired of eating it. So now I'm gonna make chicken salad. You ain't got to throw nothing away. When times are so hard, you just make something else with it. This bowl ain't big enough. I'm gonna get the bigger bowl. Bigger bowl. Ingredients that we're going to use: mayonnaise, relish, black pepper, salt, and this. That's it. That's it. And I'm going to taste the chicken before I put the seasonings in it. After I put these two things in it. And see if it needs this, this, and this. Because the chicken was seasoned from being cooked. We don't want to make it over salty and stuff. So, we go on in with the mayonnaise. And we go on in with the relish. I got more of these staples. Let's move these to the side. We're gonna look like we're gonna need more mayonnaise from the back. Look at that. some more mayonnaise. So what do you guys do with you leftover chicken or turkey that you have left from Thanksgiving? I hope you guys are not throwing it away. Make some salad. You can doctor this up any kind of way you want. People put eggs, tomato, onion, all that in it. I don't eat mine like that. But you're more than welcome. You're more than welcome to eat yours any kind of way you want. But that's not how I like it. I like it just like this. I'm gonna put a little more. As y'all see, I use my finger a lot. I'm gonna put a little more of this. And we're gonna get me a paper towel and wipe my finger. And we're gonna taste it. Let's taste it. All right. I guess maybe since we added the mayonnaise, we're gonna put a little salt, a little black pepper, and a little of this garlic and herb. How you like your chicken salad? Do you like it on crackers or on bread? I like mine either way. But I'm gonna get me some bread. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. So that black pepper got me just now. I'm gonna get me some bread. I got me some tater chips over there. And I'm gonna have me a chicken salad sandwich for lunch. Okay, that made it better. That made it taste much better. So, we finished making our chicken salad. We are finished. I'm gonna get me some bread and I'm gonna put it on the bread and gonna eat it up. I made me some toast. I'm gonna put it on the toasted bread here. See how healthy that sandwich is? This is comfort eating. Comfort food eating. You know, a quick sandwich. We're gonna put the top on it. We're gonna cut it. My bread breaking up because I toasted it too much, but that's okay. I like it like that. Like a little cracker. I might have more than one. All right, let me show you. My bread is like crackers. Look up. Toast is good. Don't give me some chips. I just want to show you. Chicken salad on toast. That is so good. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I'm back with another one. I want to thank my subscriber, my new subscriber. So, if you made it, like I said, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly, truly appreciate all of you guys. My new subscribers, my old subscribers, my future subscribers. Just come on along with me and hang out with me. We're gonna do this and we're gonna keep doing it. So come on. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.